Hi everyone. We're telling your followers that you started a live video. Okay, whatever. Instagram. Hello. How are you guys? Are you something or what? Are you something or what? Are you something or what? Ano? Babad na ako dito. Ano? Babad na ako dito. Hi, fresh mo naman. I meet you. I'm just taking a dive or swimming right now because, you know, something happened later. I think my entrance to it will, you know, will post at the Welcome Science Plus or Drivers Philippines page. Sorry for the hag. Who was that? I think I found the one. Yes, ganyan ako pag swimming ako since malapit ng station. So, nothing can happen for me. So, yan yung mga bodyguard ko. Team Kodasha all the way. Oh my god, you're such a dumb. You're such a nerdy for supporting Odasha. Are you nerd or what? Ano pwede na mag-guest ka rin sa evangelism? Let's see. Ayan, ganyan sila lagi sa likod ko. Ito yung swimming ako. Lagi nila akong binabantayan. Akala mo naman tatakos ako dito sa bahay. Umina yung netizens. So, dikit lang tayo dito. Yan, malakas na bang netizens? Shawarma rice on it. See you tomorrow, guys. I miss seeing you guys. So, see you tomorrow. Diba? Galing yung tunog ng ano. Ay, sakto yung puto. What the fuck? Bungang criminal. What the fuck? Hi, Sophia. I miss you. I hope I see you soon. Why not? Hi, Jericho Cuisine. Ganda ng building namin. Bitch, this is the sky. Hi, sky. Ay! Nakita nyo kung ano ko to. Tingnan nyo guys. So, tingnan nyo yung task ko. Ay! Kaya makita ko lang. Makulata. Lagyan natin to. Ay! Oh my god! Nakita nyo. Okay guys, nandito lang ako. Usapin niyo naman ako. Kasi yung makita yung sky. So yes. Hi school. Sabi nyo hi school. There's something in my pool. Hi Jeng, I miss you. Hi Keisha. Sino kasama mo, ma? Asawa ko. Linisin mo muna kami. Ah, He's calling me. Something danger. Superman. Diba? Matingin ng ilalim ng pool. Eh, di na wala ako lang kayo. Tayo laro-laro ka naman. Tingin nyo guys, so yung sky oh. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Ay, laro. Malapit. O siya, papanik na ako. Miss ko lang kayo. Mapagod na rin sila mag-wait sa akin. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Wow, ganda. Diba? Oh. Ay, laro. Si bakla, aga-aga. So guys, tomorrow I hope we'll make you laugh and cry and out and loud and proud. Yes guys. Natawa-tawa na naman kayo. Hey, hey, hey. Napasunbathing ako eh. Ng alas 5. Mahilig ako mag-sunbathing na alas 5. Kayo rin ba? Ako lang ba yung babaeng mahilig mag-sunbathing na alas 5? I'm just kidding. Amazing alaga! Oh my god! What the fuck? Sawa-sawa ka. Hindi ba? Torture. Gusto mo yung yung eksena ko na ano ba yung eksena ko? Hey, hey, hey. Pop. Pop. Hindi ba ganun yun? Mahirap eh. Tsaka sinasota ka ng mga guard, sabihin tood ako. Yes, quiet girl lang ako. Hi, Shay Shay. The most loyal. O, sige na mga bakla. Bye-bye na, ha? Bye! See you, Tom. I love you.